Okay, this is my Rockin Wood project. I'd like to thank Rockin Wood and Velocity Screws for their support. Check out the description for affiliate links for many of the products that I use today. Okay, I started off by just ripping down 2 of the boards so I could get a good frame. And then, obviously, we're not trying to be complicated here, so I'm just using some scraps to secure the back of it. But I'm just going to attach 4 together using just some scraps that I had laying around. Nothing fancy here. Try not to overthink it, even that I end up overthinking it. Once again, I'm using my favorite Velocity screws. Shout out to them. And here I'm putting what happen to be the wider pieces on the top and bottom. So I'm just trying to line everything up, make sure it looks good. It's not like I have a planer or a joiner. So I'm going with what I have, and so far so good. I really like the way it was coming out. So I cut it out of the video, but I did go over to the miter saw and chop those down. Okay, you can see I tried putting a screw in without pre-drilling, but due to the nature of what this wood is, the Rockin Wood, love it, but it can split easily. So I ended up in to pre-drill everything, and that worked great. Yep, now I'm just putting on the verticals. Once again, these are the little thinners pieces from when I ripped them down. To the eye, you're probably not going to notice. Also, I did take some 220 grit just to sand the edges of my cuts. My miter saw blade is pretty old, and it definitely needs to be sharpened or replaced. As you can see, I'm pre-drilling again and then screwing in. Once again, Velocity screws, love them. It's looking good. Okay, so here I'm basically just finding the center of the board to place my 3D printed Starfleet comm badge. This is a commander badge from Strange New Worlds. You can see here I'm using Starbond CA glue to attach the base plate to the wood, and I'm using a cinder block to hold it down. Now next, the actual command badge that goes inside of it, piece 2, I'm tacking it down with only a little bit of CA glue because I might want to pop this off and try it again. I'd like to thank Rockin Wood for sending me this collection. I love it. I really think this is an awesome piece.